Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So today guys, we are going to be me and Isabella, say hello.
Hello.
We are going to be making homemade pizza. As you can see, they have already made the dough. Look at what we are going to be using, guys. So Bella is going to be, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. So I will be joining her to make it. Okay, we are starting with the dough. You have to bring it to the camera. Hello guys, so as you can see, our pizza is ready, made by Mommy and Bella. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in our next video. Bye guys.